We've already broken down the core building blocks of modern AI. Large language models, agents, MCP, and indexing. And one thing became clear. AI isn't magic. It's architecture. Now, let's zoom in on one critical piece, the AI agent. An AI agent is not intelligent by itself. The intelligence comes from the large language model. An AI agent is a system that uses an LLM to observe, decide, and act toward a goal. The agent relies on the LLM to understand inputs, reason about the situation, and produce instructions for the next step. Based on the LLM's reasoning, the agent determines when to continue reasoning, which tools to invoke, and how to execute each action. In short, the LLM is the brain, and the agent is the executor and coordinator. A chatbot is reactive. You ask a question, it responds. An AI agent is goal-driven. You give it an objective, and it works step by step to achieve it. A chatbot stops after one response. An agent can follow LLM-generated plans, call tools, evaluate results, and continue until the goal is completed. An AI agent is not a single component. It is an orchestration layer. At the center is the agent control logic, which manages execution and flow. The agent uses a large language model as the source of intelligence for reasoning and planning. It manages memory to store and retrieve context, history, and knowledge. And it invokes tools, APIs, databases, browsers, or code execution, based on instructions produced by the LLM. The agent itself does not think. It executes and coordinates intelligence into action. Every AI agent operates in a loop. First, the agent observes the current state. Then it sends that context to the LLM for reasoning and planning. Next, the agent acts by invoking tools or producing outputs according to the LLM's instructions. Finally, it evaluates the result and decides whether to continue the loop. This process repeats until the goal is achieved or the task is stopped. Not all AI agents are the same. Some are rule-based agents, where behavior is strictly predefined. Others are reactive agents, responding immediately to inputs. More advanced systems use planning agents, where the LLM generates multi-step plans. And autonomous agents can run for long periods, executing LLM-driven workflows with minimal human input. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine an AI coding assistant. You ask it to fix a bug. The agent gathers relevant code and context, passes it to the LLM for analysis, receives a solution plan, applies code changes, runs tests, and verifies the result. That's not just conversation. That's an AI agent executing LLM intelligence in the real world. AI agents transform language models from simple conversation into real-world systems. They don't create intelligence, they apply it. If this clarified how modern AI works, stay tuned, because this is where AI truly begins.